If you're looking for a safe and profitable investment for your business, this video is for you. Investing in a solar energy system unlocks the opportunity of a lifetime, saving you money and generating revenue with safe, attractive, and reliable returns. Can you say that about the stock market right now? Let's get right into it. Here are the top 5 reasons why solar is a safe investment and why your company should adopt solar today. Hi, I'm Jelani Anthony, and this is Going Solar with Pivot Energy. Electricity costs are skyrocketing every year, but that doesn't have to affect your business anymore. By investing in solar, you hold the key to lifelong energy security, reduced prices, high returns, and so much more. Let's get started. Reason 1 why solar is a safe and smart investment is a big one: reduced operational cost. Companies that go solar save an average of 75% on their electric bill each year, which translates to reduced operational costs. That's because in several states, the average price of electricity has increased by over 20% in just 1 year, largely due to the volatility of fossil fuel assets and inflationary trends in the market. That even surpasses inflation rates, and based on trends over the past decade, these numbers are only expected to increase. So what does that mean for your business? Well, you can continue maxing out your energy budget on expensive grid electricity. Or you can opt for on-site solar or a solar plus energy storage system. Save thousands of dollars a year and lock in years of predictable energy costs. Solar allows you to take control of your own energy supply. And depending on the size of your project, your energy bill could be as low as $0. Learn more in our video explaining the intricacies of your electric bill both before and after solar. But if you're wondering how solar savings could possibly outweigh the capital required to install a system, let me explain. Solar is an expense that turns into an asset in just a handful of years, with the majority of businesses seeing significant returns within just 7 years of installation. Give this video a thumbs up if you want high returns. Think of it like buying a car. You can spend more on a reliable car that will last decades, or you can save money up front buying your neighbor's used old car. With that clunky car, you'll quickly feel a hole burning through your pocket when it starts requiring repairs and new parts, has lower fuel efficiency, or breaks down. In the long run, the cheaper car costs you thousands of dollars more. That's what happens when you use grid electricity. Peak electricity costs throughout the day can make up over half your business's bill, especially if your energy use spikes throughout the day. By using your own system's energy instead of or in addition to the grid, you prevent utility companies from opportunistic price increases that can hurt your bottom line. Battery energy storage systems insulate customers from on-peak pricing, demand spikes, and ancillary services. And with incentives like the federal investment tax credit, plus state and local rebates, the upfront cost of solar can be lowered by as much as 40%. Learn more in our video about how the ITC works here. Federal accelerated depreciation is also a valuable resource for reducing costs, even if your state doesn't offer incentives. Learn more in our solar depreciation video. Subscribe and hit the bell to be the first to learn about new solar industry updates, incentives, and more. Moving on to reason number 3, commercial solar diversifies your portfolio and promotes a resilient financial model. For example, many states have a program known as net metering. With net metering, you will be credited at a 1-to-1 retail rate for excess electricity generation. Learn more in this video. Solar also illuminates new and exciting marketing opportunities. Around 75% of US consumers say they're concerned about the environmental impact of the products they buy, and 81% take the sustainability of a product, company, or retailer into consideration for at least some of their purchases. By going solar, you can brand your company as environmentally friendly, appealing to the priorities of modern consumers. For example, we installed solar panels at over 400 locations for our partner, Extra Space Storage. This has helped them bring in high returns to their shareholders while appealing to a new generation of clientele that wants to support green self-storage facilities.
You know, we've seen benefits from our interactions with members of the community, and we're able to redeploy these resources that we're saving to other sustainability efforts that we have, other efforts in the community, and just other business interests instead of paying the utility.
And remember how I mentioned that solar has higher returns in the stock market? Here's why. When you think about what makes a good investment, you're likely thinking about 2 key things. First, will your investment generate high returns over time? And second, is the risk low enough that you won't lose your initial investment? Good news, solar meets both of those requirements. It's one of the few investments with extremely low risk and very high reward. At Pivot, we see internal rates of return from 12 to 18% on average, which is significantly higher than the average annual 10% stock market return. Plus, returns from solar power are more predictable than stocks because solar power is a physical asset that generates a predictable amount of electricity, which people and businesses still need during economic downturns. Depending on the contract structure, you can be confident about your solar energy costs for 20+ years. Our video on commercial solar ROI visually details the high returns that solar delivers to the average business. Spoiler, it's over $3 million. If your team is interested in solar but worried about the cost, this video is a crucial piece of research to present to them. Now, you might still be asking yourself, why now? Simply put, now is the best time to go solar. The cost of installing a solar array has fallen dramatically in recent years, making it more affordable than ever. And with energy costs expected to continue rising in the coming years, solar power is even more attractive to your shareholders and investors. By waiting, you're missing out on the opportunity to earn exponential returns. Solar power systems typically have a lifespan of 30 to 40 years, meaning that today's investment will generate electricity and income until 2050 or beyond. And what's a better way to get started than by partnering with an experienced developer with a holistic approach to solar? Pivot Energy is here to be your guide in designing a system that fits your financial and environmental goals and your budget. Our video about our company's purpose-driven approach will teach you everything you need to know about what it's like to work with us. We will tailor a plan that meets your specific needs, and we stay by your side every step of the way, from financing to planning, developing, operating, maintaining, and more. With a diverse set of clean energy products, we can help meet your organization's unique sustainability goals. Head to pivotenergy.net. You can also contact me directly by using the email listed in the description. Subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss future videos on all things solar energy. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.